Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to correctly print on photo paper using an Epson L3210 printer. But before we begin, I want to invite you to subscribe or become a member of our channel. So let's get started. Alright guys, the first step is to choose an image you want to print. For example, I have this image you see here. Once you have it selected, right-click on it and select the option that says Print. A window will open with different printing options, so the first step is to select the printer you're going to use. In this case, it's the Epson L3210 model. Then, under paper size, choose the most common option, which is A4. It's the most widely sold paper size on the market. Next, under quality, select the option that says Standard. And then under paper type, choose the one that says Presentation Paper Matte. On the right-hand side, you'll see the option to choose how many images you want to print on one sheet. For example, you can select one image, 2, 4, 9, or even more. But in this case, I'm going to select the one option, which says 20 by 25, meaning one image per sheet. You can also select how many copies of the image you want on the sheet. You can set that here, but in this case, I'll leave it at 1. Now we need to place the photo paper into the tray of our printer, and we'll also turn it on and connect it. One of the important things to keep in mind when printing on photo paper is that it should be compatible with inkjet printers, as well as be high resolution and quick drying. Paper weight is also extremely important. If you use a paper weight of 250 or 200 grams and up, it will print fine. But over time, the printer will start having problems, since it will struggle to feed the paper through the carriage. Therefore, I recommend a weight of around 180 grams for inkjet printers, as well as using A4 size. Once everything is set, click the button that says Print, and let your printer complete the printing process. And as you can see here, guys, our printed image has just come out. So I hope this was helpful, and as always, I invite you to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.